Welcome back once again, and here I'm extending the same program to demonstrate if-else statement. So what I'm going to do, I'm just creating here a new file, and to this I'm giving as name if-else .php, say. Okay, and this is here we got the file name if-else.php, and what I'm doing, I'm just copy all these content from here using Ctrl+C and put it here, and here we can say that if else condition statement in PHP. To this, here I'm using the same over here marks and all these things. What I'm doing, I'm extending this program, and here I'm adding else here, and here I go writing the body for this else, and here I write echo result is fail, and put the semicolon here, and save the changes here, and here go with this again. Here we come to this PHP folder, and here we see if-else.php file here. Just click on this. So here we got the result is pass, as we see that marks are greater than 8 equal to 80. So marks, the value is having 92, so that's why it's showing the result as pass. So what will happen if we make it 72 in our case? Save the changes here, and here we go, refresh it. So here we got the result is fail. So this is how if else work. If the condition is true, means if the marks of this variable are greater than equal to 80, then it will execute this body, that is if statement body will get executed, and it will give us the result. It will display us the value result is pass. If this value doesn't true, in our case it's going to be as false, then the body of else will get executed, that is result is fail. So in this case what we are getting result in, or we get the statement to be executed in both condition, if the condition turned to be true or if condition turned to be false in this case. So if we change this value and put here again, say 92 marks value, then save the changes, and here we go, refresh it, we will see result is pass. If we make it say around 62 or 62, save the changes, and here we go, see the result, and we see that result is fail over here. So this is how we can use the conditional operator, if else conditional operator. In the next video we will go with if, else if, and else conditional operator. See you there.